Welcome to a financial fitness crash course. Let's start with budgeting. Track your income and expenses and allocate specific amounts to bills, savings, and discretionary spending. Building an emergency fund is essential. Aim for a fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep it separate and easily accessible for unexpected costs. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and contribute regularly to employer-sponsored retirement like 401k plans. Prioritize eliminating high-interest debts like credit cards. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans for better rates. Never stop learning. Educate yourself on personal finance. Understand investments, saving strategies, and tax implications. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits. Cancel unused subscriptions or memberships. Invest wisely. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds for long-term investment. Negotiate bills and services for better rates. Shop smart, look for discounts, use coupons, and compare prices. Diversify your income streams. Explore freelancing, part-time work, or passive income streams. And finally, plan for retirement. Start saving as early as possible. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, and consider consulting a financial advisor for long-term planning. Stay financially fit and make your money work for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Time Capsule Tales 811.